Who has got more power in a negotiation? The buyer or the seller? When Tesco, Carrefour or the large retailer meet their suppliers, they tend to be quite harsh. They make a lot of demands, they give little time for the meetings because they have the power, so the buyer has the power. But if you now consider the way Apple deals with their distributors, then you see that they have a very high standards, they specify everything they want to see in their shops. So in this case, the seller has more power. So more in general, there is not a rule. The buyer or the seller may have more power depending on the context, the situation, and the market. My name is Giuseppe Conti, I'm a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. The relationship between a buyer and a seller is somewhere between a continuum where on one side there is a monopoly and on the other side there is a commodity. So the job of a seller is to be perceived by the buyer like a monopoly, and the job of the buyer is to treat every seller as a commodity. Now, if you're a seller, what can you do? Well, you want to work on your differentiation strategy, right? You want to identify something which makes you unique. This may be technology, this may be branding, this may be a unique business model. For instance, if you look at large fast-moving consumer goods company like Procter & Gamble or Nestle, they invest a substantial amount of money in marketing so that they build a relationship with the consumers, and this gives them more power when they negotiate with the retailers. If you are a buyer, then the typical strategy is to increase the number of alternatives. So you may make it easy to build alternatives by reducing the barrier to qualify new suppliers. This may be, for instance, using performance specification rather than detailed specification. You may want to do some benchmarking. You may want to build a good understanding of the market. Knowledge is also a source of power. And if you do not have the knowledge, you can take it from somewhere else. For instance, if you're doing a negotiation with Microsoft every 3 years, it may be more effective to hire an external consultant that is going to help you for those negotiations rather than trying to build all the knowledge yourself. To summarize, if you're a seller, make sure that you become a monopoly in the eyes of the buyer. If you are a buyer, make sure that you can treat every seller as a commodity. For more insights on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.